Starting an Airbnb hosting venture from scratch as a beginner can be an exciting and potentially lucrative endeavor. To help you get started, I'll provide a detailed guide with essential tips and insights to ensure your success in this growing hospitality sector. 1. Research and planning. Before diving into hosting on Airbnb, invest time in thorough research and planning. Begin by understanding your local market. What's the demand for short-term rentals? Who are your competitors? And what are they offering? Create a business plan outlining your hosting goals, budget, and a clear strategy for success. 2. Legal considerations. Ensure you're well informed about local regulations and zoning laws that might impact your ability to host on Airbnb. Depending on your location, you may need permits or licenses to operate legally. Compliance with safety codes and insurance requirements is crucial for both your and your guests' peace of mind. 3. Property preparation. Your property's appeal is a critical factor in attracting guests. Start by thoroughly cleaning and decluttering your space. Consider investing in amenities that enhance the guest experience, such as high-speed internet, a well-equipped kitchen, and quality linens. High-resolution, well-lit photos showcasing your property are indispensable for capturing potential guests' attention. 4. Pricing strategy. Set a competitive and flexible pricing strategy. Airbnb offers tools to adjust rates based on factors like demand, seasons, and local events. Consider offering discounts for longer stays to attract guests who prefer extended visits. 5. Listing creation. Creating an enticing Airbnb listing is key to attracting potential guests. Provide a detailed description of your property's features and amenities, and highlight what makes it unique. Your property's photos should be high quality and accurately represent your space. 6. Communication and responsiveness. Promptly respond to guest inquiries and booking requests. Excellent communication is vital for securing bookings and earning positive reviews. Availability and responsiveness during your guest stay are also crucial for maintaining your host reputation. 7. Guest screening. Ensure you have a process for screening potential guests. Review their profiles and check their previous reviews. This helps ensure that your guests align with your property's house rules and expectations. 8. House rules and manuals. Establish clear house rules to set expectations for your guests. Clearly define rules related to smoking, pets, check-in/checkout times, and noise. Providing a well-organized guest manual with essential information about your property can enhance the guest experience and reduce misunderstandings. 9. Pricing and fees. Determine your pricing structure, including cleaning fees and security deposits. Keep in mind Airbnb's host fee, typically around 3% of the booking subtotal. Consider how these factors impact your overall pricing strategy. 10. Cleaning and maintenance. Maintaining a high standard of cleanliness is paramount. You can either hire a professional cleaner or ensure that you clean thoroughly between guests. Regularly inspect your property for wear and tear and address maintenance issues promptly to keep your property in top condition. 11. Guest experience. To stand out as a host, go the extra mile to enhance the guest experience. Offer a welcome basket, provide local recommendations, and maintain open lines of communication during your guests' stay to address any questions or concerns. 12. Safety and security. Prioritize your guests' safety and security. Install smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers as necessary. Consider a smart lock system for keyless entry, which can enhance security and convenience for both you and your guests. 13. Marketing and promotion. Utilize various marketing strategies to attract more guests. This can include leveraging social media, using Airbnb's promotional tools, and optimizing your listing with fresh content and seasonal promotions. Regularly update your listing to keep it appealing to potential guests. 14. Reviews and ratings. Encourage guests to leave reviews and ratings. Positive reviews build your credibility as a host and attract more bookings. Address any negative feedback constructively and professionally to demonstrate your commitment to guest satisfaction. 15. Pricing optimization. Stay vigilant in evaluating your pricing strategy. Regularly adjust rates based on market trends, upcoming events, and competitor prices. Strive for a balance between competitive pricing and profitability. 16. Guest satisfaction. Put guest satisfaction at the forefront of your hosting approach. Be ready to respond to guest concerns promptly and professionally. Consider offering a 24/7 emergency contact for guests to reach out in case of any issues. 17. Booking calendar management. Efficiently manage your booking calendar to prevent double bookings and maintain clear availability. Keeping an accurate and up-to-date calendar is essential for providing a seamless booking process for your guests. 18. Tax considerations. Understand your tax obligations as an Airbnb host. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses, as these may be subject to local and federal taxes. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance. 19. Guest feedback. Request feedback from guests after their stay. Use their input to make continuous improvements to your property and enhance the overall guest experience. Respond to feedback with gratitude and address any areas for improvement. 20. Evolving as a host. Stay up to date on Airbnb trends and best practices. Attend host meetups, participate in forums, and consider taking professional hosting courses to refine your skills and knowledge. Hosting is a dynamic industry, and continuous learning is key to success. 21. Handling guest issues. Develop strong problem-solving skills to address various guest issues, from cancellations to disputes. Familiarize yourself with Airbnb's Resolution Center and Host Guarantee to navigate and resolve these situations effectively. 22. Scaling your hosting business. If you find success in your Airbnb hosting venture, consider scaling your business. This could involve adding more properties to your portfolio, diversifying into long-term rentals, co-hosting, or expanding into vacation property management. 23. Stay compliant. Stay vigilant about local regulations and monitor changes in laws or rules regarding short-term rentals. Ensuring ongoing compliance is essential to operate your Airbnb business legally and sustainably. 24. Budget and finances. Effective financial management is crucial for your hosting business. Maintain a budget, track expenses, and allocate funds for property improvements and maintenance. A well-organized financial approach is key to your long-term success. 25. Customer service. Deliver exceptional customer service to build long-term relationships with guests. Consider offering loyalty discounts to encourage returning guests and enhance your reputation as a host who goes above and beyond. Starting your Airbnb hosting journey as a beginner may seem challenging, but with dedication and a commitment to providing exceptional guest experiences, you can build a successful hosting business. Continuously refine your hosting skills, stay informed about market trends, and remain adaptable to changing guest expectations. Your journey as an Airbnb host holds the potential for a rewarding and profitable hospitality venture. Good luck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.